1. Black Revolution. Cause, to reduce dependency on crude oil imports and find alternatives for energy security. Result, increased domestic production of petroleum and the implementation of the Ethanol Blending Program, EBP, which mixes ethanol with petrol. 2. Blue Revolution. Cause, to tap into the potential of India's vast coastline and inland water bodies to ensure food and nutritional security. Result, a significant increase in fish production and the development of modern aquaculture practices, making India one of the leading fish-producing nations. 3. Brown Revolution. Cause, to promote sustainable production of non-conventional agricultural products and meet the rising demand for leather and plantation crops. Result, enhanced production of coffee, cocoa, and leather products, often with a focus on environmentally friendly practices. 4. Golden Revolution. Cause, the need to diversify agriculture beyond food grains into higher value crops to increase farmers' income. Result, India became a global leader in the production of fruits, vegetables, and honey, significantly improving rural economic health. 5. Golden Fiber Revolution. Cause, to boost the production of jute, which was a vital industry but faced stiff competition from synthetic substitutes. Result, improved yield, quality, and technological processing of jute, helping sustain the economy of regions like West Bengal and Bihar. 6. Pink Revolution. Cause, to modernize the processing and quality control of meat and poultry to meet international export standards. Result, increased export of meat and prawn products, and improved hygiene and technology in the meat processing industry. 7. Grey Revolution. Cause, the realization that the Green Revolution's high use of chemicals was depleting soil fertility, necessitating a smarter approach to fertilizer use. Result, increased focus on the production and efficient application of fertilizer, though it also sparked a later shift toward organic farming. 8. Red Revolution. Cause, the need to stabilize the price and supply of two of the most fundamental items in the Indian diet, tomatoes and meat. Result, massive increase in the production of tomatoes and processed meat, which helped control market price volatility. 9. Silver Revolution. Cause, to address protein deficiency in the Indian population by making eggs affordable and accessible. Result, India saw a massive jump in egg production, turning it into a major poultry producer. 10. Silver Fiber Revolution. Cause, to provide the textile industry with high-quality raw material and increase the income of cotton farmers. Result, advance the production and yield of cotton across states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. 11. Yellow Revolution. Cause, India was historically a major importer of edible oils, creating a huge drain on foreign exchange reserves. Result, a major boost in the production of oilseeds like mustard, sunflower, and soybean, leading to near self-sufficiency in edible oils for a period. Subscribe for more.